Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So tie the hairs like this in the half by folding it upward. Now roll it down and fix it in the half like this. Put the hair clutch over it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, or you just have to take this hair clutch and put all the hairs on it like this. Use the fingers to roll it upward and then fix it using the hair clutch and put it and fix it on the side and it's ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail as shown in the video and then fix this hair clutch on the hairs. Now tie the hairs from the between and roll it upward and fix it inside the hair clutch like this. Put the hair clutch and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail and fix this bun foam on the hairs. Now spread the hairs around it and fix the rubber band over it like this. Now tie the hairs from the sides and then fix it using the rubber band and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to put the hair clutch over it. Next, tie the ponytail. Now fix this bun pin on the hairs. Now take the hairs to the right side, tie it using the rubber band and fix it using this bun pins and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, we have to tie the ponytail and fix this hair clip. Now divide the hairs into 3 parts and fix it inside the hairs one by one as shown in the video. Fix it properly inside the clips. Now tie it on the top and then roll it down and fix it using this bun pin and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will be tying more beautiful hairs. So first, take the hairs, roll it upward like this and fix it on the rubber band. Fix this bun pin. Now tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down and fix it using this bun pins and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs, rotate it like this. Now after that, fold the hairs down and then tie it from the between. Fix it inside the clutch as shown in the video and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, take small section of the hairs on the top and then roll it and fold it upward and fix it using the hair clip. Now divide the hairs into 3 parts and fix them one by one inside the small clips like this. Fix it on the alternative sides. Now tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down and fix it using this bun pin and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the ponytail and then fix this bun tool on the hairs. Now fold it upward and fix it from the side. Spread the hair and put the hair clutch over it like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs from the sides and fix this hair clip on the hairs by folding it upward. Now fix the hairs inside the clips like this one by one by dividing it into 3 parts. Tie them on the top and then roll it down using this bun pin. Fix the hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will tie the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now fix it and using the hair clutch. Now we will tie all the hairs and divide it from the between. Fold it upward and fix it using the hair clutches like this. Put it in the between and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail and fix this hair clutch by rolling it upward. Now tie the hairs on the top and then fold it down and fix it using this bun pin and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the rubber band and fold the hairs like this from the between. Now fix it from the between like this and fold it upward and fix it using the hair clutch and your hairstyle will be ready. Thanks for watching our video.